how to check how much storage space used by an app on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and then tap on apps. In the list of apps, tap on the app that you want to view. So here I'm going to open up, say this app right here, Instagram. And then we go down and tap on storage. In here you can see it shows how much storage being used by the app itself, how much data is being stored from the app, and how much cache it has used. So let's take a look at a different app. And this time we'll open up the Chrome app. So let's open up Chrome and then tap on storage. Here you can view the app usage, the storage for an app, and then its data and its cache data. And the total is 52.08 megabytes. In here you can choose to clear data or clear the cache if you wanted to. Or just tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.